Space tech is evolving faster than ever, and number one is something almost nobody guesses. Stay until the end to find out, as we count down the top emerging trends in space technology. Scientists are currently working on advanced propulsion systems that could revolutionize space travel. These new systems include advanced ion engines, nuclear propulsion, and even exotic matter drives. With these technologies, spacecraft could potentially travel to other planets in a fraction of the time it takes today. But it gets even more exciting as we move up the list, with trends that are already being implemented in the industry. Space-based solar power is a trend that involves collecting solar energy in orbit and beaming it back to Earth. This technology has the potential to provide a constant and reliable source of clean energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are already exploring this concept, and it could become a major player in the energy market. As we move forward, we'll see even more innovative ideas that are changing the game. Reusability in spacecraft is a trend that's been gaining momentum in recent years. With the development of reusable rockets, companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are significantly reducing the cost of access to space. This technology has the potential to make space travel more affordable and accessible to everyone, from governments to private individuals. But what's even more impressive is what's coming next, as we explore the top trends in space technology. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role in space exploration. From navigating spacecraft to analyzing data, AI is helping scientists and engineers to make new discoveries and improve the efficiency of space missions. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the field of space exploration. And as we count down the top emerging trends, we'll see how AI is just the beginning. In-orbit manufacturing is a trend that involves producing goods and materials in space. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we manufacture products, from pharmaceuticals to fiber optics. With the ability to produce materials in microgravity, scientists can create new and innovative products that can't be made on Earth. As we move forward, we'll see how this trend is changing the face of industry and commerce. Establishing lunar and planetary bases is a trend that's been gaining momentum in recent years. With the development of reusable rockets and advanced life support systems, it's becoming increasingly feasible to establish permanent human settlements on the Moon and other planets. This technology has the potential to open up new opportunities for scientific research, resource extraction, and even tourism. But what's driving this trend, and how will it shape the future of space exploration? Scientists are currently developing advanced materials and structures that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. From lightweight composites to inflatable space habitats, these new materials are enabling the creation of more efficient and sustainable spacecraft. As this technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative designs and architectures that will take space exploration to the next level. And as we count down the top trends, we'll see how these materials are just the beginning. Space debris removal is a trend that's becoming increasingly important as the number of satellites in orbit continues to grow. With the development of new technologies and strategies, scientists and engineers are working to remove hazardous debris from Earth's orbit and prevent collisions with operational spacecraft. This technology has the potential to ensure the long-term sustainability of space exploration and development. But what's at stake, and how will this trend impact the future of space travel? Private space stations are a trend that's been gaining momentum in recent years. With the development of reusable rockets and advanced life support systems, private companies are now building and operating their own space stations. This technology has the potential to open up new opportunities for scientific research, space tourism, and even commercial development. As we approach the top trend, we'll see how this is just the beginning of a new era in space exploration. The Interplanetary Internet is a trend that's revolutionizing the way we communicate in space. With the development of new technologies and protocols, scientists and engineers are working to create a network that can connect spacecraft and habitats across the solar system. This technology has the potential to enable real-time communication and data transfer between Earth and other planets, paving the way for a new era of space exploration and development. And that's the number one emerging trend in space technology, a game changer that will take us to the stars. Thanks for watching our video on the top emerging trends in space technology. If you like this video, please give it a like and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content on various topics, and we'll see you in the next video.